to hit him with no camo back there. Yeah.
He wanted that. Look at that. He held it. What is up, everybody? We have made it. It was a pain trying to get across that water right there. There's so much loose gravel right there that you just sink in. I rolled my pants up as far as I could, and it still didn't even help. I still got wet all the way up to my knees, so it sucked. But we made it. We're back here. We're gonna start slamming into some fish, hopefully. Got the old trusty spinnerbait right here, black and gold with gold flakes. We're gonna see what that does. I do have a swim bait on. I got a jig, and then I got a pole ready for a Texas rig. I might be throwing bandito bugs or trench hogs. We'll see what happens. Got a couple other lures that I want to try out, so hopefully it works out. Hopefully we get some fish. Stay tuned, everybody. Wish me luck. Chatterbait? It's kind of weird for a log to pop off like that, though. It's not. Jeez Louise, man. That hook already came right off. Look at that chunk. Not a bad one. Get a scale, or get a weight on it, get a scale on it. What I'm gonna do, get a weight on this bad boy. I'm gonna say it's probably 2.5. I don't think it's any bigger than that. What do we got? Bro, you got your scale?
Yeah.
Dude, mine's not wanting to read. It's okay, dude. Probably like 2.5. I'm gonna try and see if I can fix my scale. I don't know what the heck's going on. It won't even read. I don't know what's going on. I keep zeroing it out, but just let this nice fish go back in. Thank you for letting me catch you. Gone. And I'm gonna try to figure out my scale situation real quick, and then we'll get back to fishing. Well, I guess my scale's busted right now. I think it's already done this once before, where in the inside there's a little spot where my where a metal piece sits into, and it pulls the weight, so you can actually mark the weight of the fish. And it came off last time. And this time it looks like it might have done the exact same thing. I really hate when it does that. I haven't used my scale in a while because I kept misplacing it, so I should have checked last night just to make sure that it was actually functional. But you know, I was trying to hurry up and get all my stuff together. So yeah, hopefully if we get a pretty big one, we can see if Israel will let us use a scale and be able to let you guys know how big these fish are that we're getting, because right now I'm just going to be guessing. Got a nice one. There we go. Dude, I might need your scale this time, brother. Might need your scale this time, bro. Right by this log over here. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at that freaking chunk. He wanted that. Look at that, how he inhaled that. Oh my God. I watched the swirl right behind my line. Was nice enough to let me borrow his scale, so let's see how big this puppy is, since my scale is stupid. Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. Ooh! Should get spot locked in. Here we go, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the sun. It is, I'll try to, it's not really that good to see. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's 4.2. Nice little 4.2. Let's let this beauty go. Right where we got her. Probably not gonna see the release because the water is murky, but at least we know she's like ready to go. Look at that. Jeez Louise.
Jump right there.
Oh, did you? Yeah. I wonder if he was chasing fish off the bed. Dude, that's a nice one. Probably pushing like 4, huh? Probably 4.5. Hold that sucker up, dude. Let's see it. Let's see that. Look at that. Nice fish. Definitely a nice fish, brother. Heck yeah. They're probably chilling up by the bank though too.
I was like right on the bank, huh?
Yeah, I was right on the bank, dude. I told you. Oh, dude, freaking smallie, dude.
Oh,
Yeah, freaking smallie. Look at. I was actually shocked to see that. Dude, look at.
What the heck? That's crazy. I didn't know that we were part of the river.
I've caught him back here before, but that's weird. I wonder what he was doing right there by the. Well, this is all like rocks right here, brother. There you go. Not a bad smallmouth. Pretty nice little chunk.
Not even that good.
Get a picture of this guy and then
Just let him go.
get back in there.
You take a picture of that?
Yeah. Why are you hating on my fish, dude? It's like super rocky right here. Sorry I didn't show you guys the release. Trying to get out of here. My poles are getting stuck right on the trees right here. We got it, guys. I watched that sucker come up and take my spinnerbait. Not a bad one. Probably a little 2.5. I don't have the scale right now. Israel's got the scale, so definitely gonna be taking a pick. Letting this guy go. This fish is gone. Massive fish just jumped over there on the side that Israel's at. I just watched it. That was a massive fish. Huge. Hopefully he was able to get into that fish. That's really nice. If this seat could just spin all the way around, it'd be kind of cool. Put this little seat on a little 360 seat holder. That was pretty awesome. I would not mind having that. got it. Oh, there he is. That felt like a huge one. Oh, that felt big. That felt big, guys. That was pretty dang big. That's a big one. Oh, it's not this one. Not that. Not that. Come on, buddy. I had my hole. I reeled in way too much. That was horrible. My oar was falling out of my kayak. Horrible. That. Right on the side of the lip. Not a bad chunk, guys. Look at that. Woo. Probably another, I'd say this one's probably 3 pounds. I don't have my scale. I wish I did, but not a bad fish. We're gonna be letting this guy go. Let's get a quick picture. If you don't have pictures, don't have proof, guys. Not a bad fish. Going right back. Got you. Oh, I see you come out of that tree. Those are the best takes. I see this guy come right out of that tree. That is crazy. Look at that guy. Oh, sorry, I got my pole right in the camera lens. Look at that. Not a gigantic one. Nice little belly on it. Look at that. Nice fish though. Get a quick picture. I'd say that's probably like 1.5, maybe 2. Fish go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Maybe that's a little guy. That's another smallie. Jeez Louise, man. What the heck's wrong with these guys? These guys just keep coming, man. I keep putting that freaking hole right in that camera. Look at that. Another smallie back here on the spinnerbait. I've never caught smallies on a spinnerbait when I'm fishing over there by the Queen and everything. I've always tried it, always caught in largemouth. And then I'm back here trying to catch largies, and smallies just keep popping up. I don't even expect this guy right here. That was crazy. Easy. I don't know what these fish are doing, man. They're just driving me crazy. Damn. There he goes. I told you it was there, dude. That sucker was there. Oh! Oh. Look. Whatever. Don't even care. I would have been more careful over there. You're like, whatever. Just another fish. Don't even care about it.